Oh, what's up, guys? Today I'm back, and I just picked up a Minecraft creeper. Here it says Overload Creeper, fully tracted. I don't know. And it comes with TNT. It's a creeper, of course, and some gunpowder. I guess it's gonna be kind of cool if you're making a series and like he has Steve, and, like you kill a creeper. Yes, I don't know. There's much more in series. It says 1. Somewhere on here. Click them all. This is series 1. Okay, there's the Enderman. It comes with a mushroom and a dirt block. Interesting. I don't know why a mushroom, but whatever. She'll come like a coal block. Okay, Steve comes with coal ore and an iron pickaxe. Zombie comes with iron sword. It'd be kind of cool if there's flesh, but hey, whatever. And an iron ore. So of course that'd be kind of cool for like making a series. Couldn't really do that much because like if you mined it, well, you couldn't really make anything. But you could use all the other series to make your series. But okay, let's read the stuff. Creepers, type, hostile mobs. Oh, I'm trying to focus into this. Camera. Okay. Behavior. Creepers stealthily approach players and explode at most incavalry, I don't know, of times. They're vulnerable to cats and ocelots to make an anomalous hissing noise when they're about to pop. Okay, fact. The game creator, Notch, accidentally invented the Igorilla Creeper Celinity when designed a pig. I can kind of understand because the legs looks familiar. Kind of cut off those. Look like a pig, kind of. And, like, it would be pink, of course, when he made it. But he did some redesigns and made it green. So the price is, okay, $9.95. So now we're done with that. Let's open this baby. Okay. Okay, hang on. Let's keep it down for just a few seconds. I gotta set down the camera again. I'm sorry, guys, for setting down the camera so much. Now you guys want to see first thing. Okay. So I want to keep this, but it's a creeper. It's pretty cool. Here, let me get his legs undone. Okay, trying to get assembled. Okay, so here's the creeper. Normal creeper, really. TNT block. Right. There it is. Some gunpowder. Kind of cool if, like, gunpowder is supposed to be things where you, like, make a trail, I think. I think that's what gunpowder is for. And then, like, you would blow it up. Like, it's supposed to be like redstone, pretty much, I think. I don't know. I forget. So there's a set. This feels really light. So you can do stuff like you can make a setup, like a griefer stone's home or something, or Enderman home TNT when you get the Enderman. It's so nice. So let's look close up at this. It looks exactly the way it would look like in Minecraft. So, very good job on that wondering. The creeper. We'll do side views and everything. Front view. left side view. No, right side. Back view. And left view. Okay. Again, TNT's same. Just gunpowder. It looks exactly like it would be in Minecraft. TNT. Alright. There you go. So, thank you guys for watching. I would appreciate it if you hit that like button and, well, subscribed if you even wanted to. That would help a lot, guys. It would help me do it a lot, you know? Because if you want more of these videos, like or subscribe to. Subscribe if you want me to do more and more videos. So no, because if you do it, then like it doesn't encourage me. But anyways, comment down below what you want me to do next, and if you want me to do more of this stuff, ask me which one you want next: Enderman, Steve, or Zombie, and I will do my best to go and try to get. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.